In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a return label for your purchases on Temu with ease. No need to worry about cumbersome processes. I've got you covered with simple steps you can follow right away. To start, navigate to the Temu website. As soon as you're there, look for the Orders and Account section. This is your portal to manage recent purchases and handle returns seamlessly. Once you've clicked on Orders and Account, you'll want to proceed to the Your Orders tab. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of your past orders, making it easy to locate the item you wish to return. Select the item you need to return from your order history. A crucial step here is to click on Return/refund to begin the process officially. It's important to notice that each item may have different policies, so ensure you check those details if necessary. Once you've clicked return or refund, you'll be prompted to select a reason for the return. This step helps the company gain valuable feedback and improve their products and services. Now, you'll need to provide a bit more information by adding any details that may better explain the reason for your return. This extra context can be really useful, particularly for specific issues. After entering the necessary information, proceed by clicking on the Next Step button. Stay with me here, we're almost done. You'll need to confirm your selections by clicking Confirm and Next Step. Once confirmed, it's time to select your return method. This choice might depend on various factors like convenience or available options, so pick what suits you best. The final critical action is to click Submit. Following submission, your return label will automatically generate. This part is really convenient. You're almost at the finish line. With the label generated, you're now ready to download and print it right from your device. Printing it ensures you can attach it to your package securely. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to printing a return label on Temu. Whether you're returning clothes, beauty products, or home goods, the process is efficient and user-friendly. Remember these steps the next time you need to manage a return, and as always, be sure to check any unique return policies relevant to your item. Thank you for joining today's session, and happy returning!